John Gelati, Inside Lacrosse here with Tom Zumo, All-Star from the Eastern Conference. How's Denver treating you so far?
Denver's been pretty good. We had a nice little media day last night, which is pretty cool to be a part of. Getting around, going out in the nightlife is pretty good. Now just enjoying the festivities here at Invesco. It's been overall, it's been a pretty good week for me. I mean, you got to come out here a little early, do a little sightseeing, and now get to hang out with the guys.
Sightseeing, what sights have you seen so far?
Pikes Peak. I have some family out here, so we took a ride. We went to Pikes Peak. It was like 96 degrees at the bottom, like 32 at the top. It's pretty cold. Get a little lightheaded, a little Dramamine, keep my head on the shoulders. So that's pretty cool.
Nice. Well, I guess how does it feel? I mean, you named an All-Star this year. How does that feel, and what are kind of your expectations for the game tonight?
Being an All-Star is a great privilege. You know, being a Division II guy, to get this opportunity again is, I don't know, just thankful that the people in the league voted me to be on the team, and looking forward to tonight. I think it's going to be a good game. I think the West is stacked with some good players, just as well as the East, and hopefully for the fans, it's an exciting game. Hopefully a close game. With the East coming out, I like the extra money.
And so, now, how does that work? You get a bonus if you guys win?
Yeah, we get a bonus in lieu of our salary. So if you win, you get a couple more $100 more than the losers. But it's okay. It's more or less to expand the game and make it as much more exciting as possible. And that money's pretty much just going to go right back into the bar after the game. But it's good time, and just go out there and have fun.
Expect some intensity out there, some hard hits, or what?
I don't know about the hard hitting, but I think there'll be some intensity. I mean, for the first few quarters, guys get after it. A lot of trash talking, and guys get tired because it's a little bit different of a game. You don't have the specialized players that you do, so a lot of guys are running up and down the fields. And then in the fourth quarter, you should probably expect some fireworks. I'm sure game will get a little bit better, a couple more two-pointer attempts, and move on from there.
Any guys you're excited to play with or against that you haven't played with or against before?
Yeah, the guy that I'm looking forward to playing with is Struble. I haven't had a chance to ever play with Struble. I've played against him, and watching his game, he's definitely a guy that I would like to see myself play with. I think I'm a good off-ball player, and he draws well. We probably work well together tonight, and I was looking forward to playing with Junior. I haven't ever had a chance to play with him, but unfortunately he got banged up and is not going to be here. So overall, I think it'll be fun. I think on the west side, I definitely don't want Lee Zink slashing me, so I'm going to stay as far away from him as possible. But
any thoughts on the second half of the rest of the season? I guess for you guys, kind of a tight race in the Eastern Conference right now.
Yeah, I think it's a real tight race, and unfortunately, we've come up on the short end of a couple games, and I think we have the toughest schedule left in the East. We have 4 very good teams left, and like you said, every game's a playoff game for us, so we're going to take it one game at a time. If you win that one game, we'll move on and win the next one.
All right. Thanks a lot, man. Good luck the rest of the way. Appreciate it.
Thank you.